Namaste. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Gurpara. This is a traditional Punjabi treat. Gurpara is made in preparation for festivals such as Holi, Makar Sankranti and Diwali. Gurpara makes for a great homemade gift because of its long shelf life. It can be stored for up to 2 months in airtight container. This is a super simple and easy recipe that only requires a few ingredients. This recipe is good for 6. To make gurpara, we will need. For dough, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida or plain flour, 2 tablespoons of fine sooji or semolina, 2 tablespoons of oil, approximately 1/3 cup of water. For syrup, we need 3/4 cup of gur, jaggery, 1 teaspoon of oil and 1/4 cup of water. First, I will make the dough. All-purpose flour, sooji and oil. Mix it together. So flour is mixed well. Now add the water slowly. We need to make the firm but very smooth dough. So dough is looking good. It's smooth and it's firm, but I'm going to need for a little bit more. So now just leave the dough for about 15 minutes before we are going to roll it. So this has been about 15 minutes. So I will knead the dough a little bit more and divide the dough in 2 equal parts and roll them into the balls. Okay, and roll them in about 8-inch diameter. This looks good, and I am going to roll the next one also same way. Now we are going to cut them in about 1/2 inch wide and 2 inch long. So I have cut all the paras and now I am ready to fry them. I am ready to fry the paras. Heat is on medium. So when I put the para in, it should sizzle but not change the color. So oil is looking ready. It's sizzling and para is coming up slowly. So I have put all the paras in because my frying pan is large enough. So just keep stirring and they should be golden brown from both sides. So this has been about 4 minutes and it needs a little bit more color into it. If you fry it on very high heat, they will be soft and not crispy. And you do have to keep stirring so both sides are golden brown. Paras are ready. As you see, it has a beautiful color and it has taken me about 6 minutes. The paras are ready and I will wait till they come to room temperature before I am going to put the gur syrup over it. So I am ready to make the syrup. Heat is on low medium. So first I will put the oil and water and gur. Gur is also known as jaggery. So cook this on low heat till all the gur is dissolved. Syrup has starts sizzling and all the gur will be dissolved very quick. So syrup should be about 1 thread, and I do not like to use my fingers to check it because my hand burns very quick. So I really suggest that you have the cold water sitting next to it, and you can put some drop of syrup in there. And when you are doing this, it shouldn't make the thread like this. It should be just little bit breaking when it, so it's not ready yet. So I just turned off my heat. Just check it again if syrup is ready. So I will just put little bit syrup in here and pick up, and it's making in the soft ball. So turn off the heat and then put all the paras in this. Put the paras in syrup after you have turned off the heat, and just keep mixing so all the paras are coated really well, and keep separating at the same time. Gur paras are ready and they are coated really well. So I am going to remove them in the plate, and this plate I have already greased it. Just keep separating them, and when they are just little warm, then you can separate them with your fingers. Gur paras are looking very delicious, and as you see, they have separated and every para is coated with gur. They are very crunchy and delicious. Enjoy it. Thank you. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the like. Thank you.